To trade US30 on Oanda, start by understanding what US30 is. US30 is a stock market index that represents the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which is a widely followed index of 30 major U.S. companies. Trading US30 allows you to speculate on the performance of the U.S. stock market. First, you need to open an account with Oanda, a reputable online trading platform. Visit their website, click on the Sign Up button, and follow the registration process. Once your account is verified, you can log into the platform and start trading. To trade US30, navigate to the Oanda trading platform and search for US30 in the search bar. Click on the US30 symbol to open the trading window. You will see the current price, as well as other relevant information such as the bid and ask prices and the spread. Before placing a trade, you need to determine your position size. This is the amount of money you want to risk on the trade. Oanda allows you to trade US30 with leverage, which means you can control a larger position with a smaller amount of capital. To place a buy order, click on the buy button and enter your position size. If you think the price of US30 will go up, you would place a buy order. Conversely, if you think the price will go down, you would place a sell order. You can also set stop loss and take profit levels to limit your potential losses and lock in profits. It is essential to have a trading strategy in place before you start trading. This could be based on technical analysis, such as charts and indicators, or fundamental analysis, such as news and economic data. Oanda provides a range of technical analysis tools, including charts and indicators, to help you make informed trading decisions. Finally, it is crucial to manage your risk when trading US30. This includes setting stop loss levels, limiting your position size, and not over-leveraging your account. By following these best practices and staying informed about market conditions, you can trade US30 successfully on Oanda.